I'm 5'10", but then I'm 6'2" with Tim's. It'd be like, yo, I'm 5'10", but yo, you throw these on, you like 6'2", you feel me? Shit, yeah, I'm gonna be in the street. How tall are you? 6'2"? 6'2", you feel me? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we're back today with another video, man. So look, listen. If y'all are new to the channel, just go down and hit that subscribe button, man. Just do that one thing for your boy. Like, why are you watching the video and you not subscribed? Now, I understand, like, why you watching the video, and I understand why you not subscribed, but now I'm telling you to subscribe. So just subscribe. Good looking. And leave a like down there too while you're down there, and leave a comment too while you're down there. You just might as well. You already down there. You feel me? It's like you might as well do it all. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Ding. But anyways, we are back today with another sneaker review. We got a little Nike and Sacai action going on today. It's another pair of the Nike, what are these, VaporWaffles? Yeah, Nike and Sacai VaporWaffles, man. So I did a review on the original pair, the black and white. Y'all make sure y'all go check that out. If I remember, I'm gonna leave a card up there so y'all can go check that out. That was like my initial impression of that shoe. And today we have another colorway, you know what I'm saying? Shout outs to my man Juan. He was able to hit the raffle at Kith. So we got our hands on a pair, and it is a size 9. So I'm gonna be bringing y'all on foot, cause who cares, you feel me? Like, it's Juan. Like, just gonna put my foot in there, undead stock that for him real quick. Here we have the box. As you guys can see, it's the orange box. Most Sacai's come in this box. I believe the other pair that I have, the regular VaporWaffle satin ones in the black, I have that one, same box. And yeah, not really much to really say about the box. Nike and over here, Ike's over here, Nike check on top. Y'all can see it in the color. And that's about it about the box, man. It's just yellow, and it's a pull open box, slide open, whatever you want to call it. And here's the size tag, as you guys can see it. Size 9, Nike Sacai VaporWaffle. I can't even, you know, speak anymore. And the color code is dark Irish campfire orange. That's pretty fire, I ain't gonna lie, for the colorway. But my first impression when I seen this sneaker, there was 2 colorways on this drop. It was like a tan pair, and there was this navy blue pair. And this is the navy blue pair. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So, you know, slide it open. We just gotta flick this up and just slide it open, you feel me? All right, so first thing you notice is the paper on the inside. It comes with this like Nike Sacai paper. That's the first one on top. I believe there's another, okay, we're just gonna throw that to the side. I believe there's another layer underneath. This one has like Nike Sacai, the writing on it. And then, yep, underneath it has the white right here. And then underneath that is the sneaker right there. So man, this is actually my first time looking at this shoe. And like I said about the last one, this thing is humongous, bro. Like, compare that to your head. This is a size 9. So just put this next to your head. This thing is humongous. Like, god damn, it's big. But yeah, extra laces right here in this navy color, Irish, I guess, iris they're calling it. It's not really navy, it's like a darker blue. It's not really navy, I'm lying. And yeah, they have that. Let's see if they have anything else on the other shoe. This is the other shoe. And yeah, nothing really much going on over here. Just the extra rope lace that they have right here. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys a quick little B-roll of the sneaker, give you guys a quick little in-depth look, and you guys can compare, you know, real versus fakes, whatever, if your pair is legit or not. I gotta take a look at that. But let's cut to that, and then I'm gonna come back, break down the colorway, break down the material, and just give you out the whole review, man. So let's cut to that. So coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see, man, like I said, the first impression is just how big and bulky this sneaker is right here. So yeah, it's just what it is. Like, it's huge, bro. It's actually huge. I don't know why it got like a big ass crease right there. Yeah, one, if you watching the video, I ain't do that. I didn't even put the shoe on yet, so I don't know why I got a big ass crease right there, bro. And like, it's already creasing up all around. So, you know, don't kill me, bro. Don't kill me. But that's just what it is. And yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown, man. So first things first, this colorway is pretty wacky. There's combination of like 3 or 4 colors mainly. So you do have this like dark blue upper, and it's made up of 2 different materials, because we have to talk about the materials while we're talking about the colorway on this sneaker. So I'm just gonna knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Starting off with the toe, they have this dark blue colorway. It's in this suede, as you guys can see, and then it runs off into navy right here when they start the second check. And then the mesh is for the mid panel on the lateral side and the medial side, as you guys can see, and that is like a lighter blue as compared to the suede. That's why, you know, I wanted to, you know, differentiate the different materials. And then same thing going up, like the lace hole right here, it's in that suede as well. And then the rest of the shoe has leather on the back. They have this orange on the leather in the back, leather on this dark blue right here on the heel counter, and then the swoosh they have is in leather on the orange, and then they just painted on a darker blue swoosh underneath that orange swoosh. And then on the inside it's just 1 swoosh, you know what I'm saying? So for the laces, it has white laces in the regular like flat laces, and then it has a ribbon lace right here in this dark blue. So, you know, Sacai double laces, double tongue, and that's exactly the double tongue is right here. That's probably one of the best features about the Sacai, is the double tongue. So the first tongue on the bottom is in blue, and this is the original Sacai tongue. As you guys can see, it says Nike sportswear, made in Vietnam. And then the second tongue underneath is in white, and it says Nike Sacai. You guys should have caught that in the B-roll. So then on the insole, this one right here, it just says Nike Sacai, and it's in orange. You guys can see that. Bang. And now moving on to the midsole, it has the foam, and it has the intruding thing like on the heel. I'm gonna give you guys a better look right there. This always like intrudes out for the midsole. So it's just like super bulky. This is like probably like 1.5 inches on the midsole in the back. So for you guys who are like 5'10", you know, usually I'd be like, yo, I'm 5'10", but then I'm 6'2" with Tim's. It'd be like, yo, I'm 5'10", but yo, you throw these on, you like 6'2", you feel me? Shit, yeah, I'm gonna be in the street. How tall are you? 6'2". 6'2", you feel me? Yeah, so there's that. The part that intrudes is in this like cream colorway that comes out, and then rest of the midsole is basically in white with the paint, you know, going on, overriding onto the midsole right there, that dark blue. And then also the outsole is just pure rubber black. So yeah, there's that. Like I said, material just basically suede, mesh, leather. Midsole is like this foam material, so it's pretty comfortable, I do have to say. And with that being covered, let's talk about the sizing on these. I would suggest going true to size on these, just because like, yeah, it looks huge, right? You want to go down half a size, but you could go true to size on them, or you could go down half a size. I know on the waffles, I went down half a size. I had to go down half a size because size 9 was way too big. And it's probably the same thing with these. But the only main difference is that this one is not as wide as the Sacai, it's a little bit more narrow. But it is bulky. So yeah. Now as for comfort on these, I already tried on the OG pair, and I'm gonna bring you guys on for on these. So I already know how comfort on these run. They're actually really comfortable. And you feel like, you can feel the foam and how comfortable it is. But you do feel like an inch or 2 off the floor, so you're not as like stable. You could dead ass roll your ankle in these, you feel me? So yeah, there's that for the comfort, but they are pretty comfortable. I'll give these like a 8.5 out of 10, just because like the 0.5 is like, yo, like you're so high off the ground, you might just twist your ankle, especially like in New York. You walk on the street, you hit a pothole, bink, ankle, sprained ankle, send them to the hospital. And that pretty much wraps up the review. I'm gonna give you guys a little on foot, come back and break down the resale prediction and give you guys my final opinion, man. So let's cut to the on foot, man, so you guys get a good little look. So alright, coming back from the on feet, hopefully you guys got a good look at them. How I feel about the style, how you guys feel about the style, comment that down below, man. Y'all already know, like, the shoe always stays on my head for some reason. I don't know why, it just stays there. But yeah, let's talk about resale real quick, man. So when these first hit the market and people was winning pairs, it was going for around like 400, 400, right? Like high 300, 400, and then the price like dropped on them after releases. So right now I could tell like a size 9 is going for like 280 on StockX, and retail on these was 180. So you're not making that much, but you know, it's still like a profit. But I would suggest holding on to them because like most Sacai sneakers do go up. This colorway is not as like, it's not the OG one, so you know, OG pairs will always go for more. Same thing with the waffles, like the green gusto goes for more, the pine green goes for more than the new ones that came out, you know what I'm saying? And also neutral tones go for more, like the white and black. In the waffles, they go for a lot more than like the satin ones that just came out in the white and the satin ones that came out in the black. This one kind of reminds me of the satin ones that just came out, so I don't think that it's gonna be too good. And this colorway is nothing that too crazy that jumps out at you. So like I said, it will go up, but the peak I see is like 400s, you feel me? Like low 400s, that's probably its peak. So if you want to hold, I would suggest doing that. But if you want to just do a quick flip, I would suggest just selling them, you know what I'm saying? So it's up to you and what you want to do. Would I buy these as an investment for the future? Nah, there's better shoes to buy. Like you could buy UNC 4s right now for 300. Somebody say, yo, they're not gonna go to 300. Yeah, 300. All right. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up the resale prediction, man. And let's wrap up the video with my final opinions. Like I said, it's a nice shoe, nice concept. Not the best colorway, so not really, you know, gonna go in my collection. Wasn't feeding to buy these off of my boy, and this is my size. Looks good on feet, gives you extra 2 inches, but nothing that you necessarily need in your collection. So yeah, there's that. That's the review. I don't need these. You don't need these. We don't need these, man. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. Comment down below how you guys feel about the shoe. Did you guys get a pair? And yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Make sure y'all leave a like on the video. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.